Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you PHP concatenation operator and how we can use it and how you can use it actually in your scripts. Yes guys, and PHP concatenation operator is dot, simply dot. Dot is concatenation operator. It allows us to add strings together, it allows us to add strings with variables together, it allows us to assign strings to strings, and how we can use this dot or concatenation operator I will show you now. So let's start by creating variable word, let's say word1, okay, and in this word1 I will say hello. For example, I will use string value and I say hello, okay, and then I will create another variable and I will call this second variable word2, and I will call this other variable world, okay, world, and in second variable I will add this space pretty much. So space as well is a value, it will be like empty value, so we will have words when we will put these strings together. And then we can create another variable phrase, for example phrase, okay, and in this phrase I will add these words together. And if you would want to, for example, add these words together, you would take this word1 variable, okay, and then you use concatenation, which is this dot sign, and then you can add another variable to it, and you see we have variable 1 concatenated with variable 2. So basically what we did, we added hello and world words together, okay, and we use semicolon. And now I will echo out on the screen this variable phrase, okay. Let's save this, let's go back to our browser, or let's go to our browser, refresh, and you see hello world is displayed on the screen. So this allows, as you see and as you understand already, for us to add words or variables together, to concatenate variables together. But we could add to these variables as well with this concatenation string values, and to do this we simply add another concatenation or this dot sign, then we use these quotation marks, and in these quotation marks we could write some string which we would want to add to this hello world, and we could say bye, okay, simply bye, let's say simply bye, it doesn't matter. The main thing is to understand how this concatenation works and how we can add, how we can use it in our PHP scripts. And this concatenation, as you saw, we can add variables together and values in those variables, and now I'm showing you how we can add to variables string value, okay. If we save it, we go back now and we say hello world bye, and as you saw there is no space between world and bye because there is no space. We could add space here after world, okay, let's save it, and you see that now there is space. Another option how we could add space, if we remove this one before bye, we could create space in this string value which is in these quotation marks, okay, and we save and we go back, and there is still space between world and bye words. And now I will show you actually how we can add values or assign values in different way. And we could say dot or concatenation as assignment variable, and we could say word1, and then we put dot, and then we put equal sign, and this will be the same what we did just now, only now we are assigning to this word1 variable word2, or that could be string value, but I will use this variable word2, and then we will echo on the screen this variable word1, okay. And what we did here, to word1 we assigned word2, and this will assign to word hello, word world, and here we simply echo it on the screen because it will save it in word1 variable. So let's save it, let's preview it in our browser, refresh, and you see hello world is displayed on the screen. And as you remember, this is what we did with assignment operators, with plus, minus, subtraction and modulus, but here we can do it with concatenation as well. And if we, for example, would want to assign something else to that word, we can come here lower and we again use this word, okay, word1 variable, and we can assign something else to it. For example, we would assign simple string value and we will say hello, hello, okay, whatever you want. I just added hello, hello, and to add space I will just add space in before here in these quotation marks. Okay guys, let's save this and let's go back and refresh, and you see now we had hello world because here we assigned to hello this world, and then lower in script we assigned another string value hello, hello. And this will be very useful when you will be looping or getting some data from database, as you will see in future tutorials when I will start showing you how you build websites, how you get data from databases and how you store them in one variable, and how you build up some collection like this, for example, what we did now, hello, hello, and we could use another ones later in the script somewhere, like variable word, and add something else to it, and I could say now bye, bye. Let's save this, let's go back, refresh, oops, hello, hello, word1. Sorry guys, I again made a mistake, didn't put 1 in there, refresh, and you see hello world, hello, hello, and bye is assigned or concatenated or assigned pretty much to this word1 variable from the very beginning. Then we can do exactly the same with numbers. If we delete this all now off. Okay guys, this was about concatenation, PHP concatenation, and this is how we could use PHP concatenation operator. So what you need to understand it is that concatenation is by using this dot, and we can add whether two variables together or whether we want to add variable and string values together, and as we can assign to some variable or already some value another value by using this concatenation operator. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in next videos.